Welcome to Perry Unlikely. Well, I learned a couple things in my last video on Chainlink, and that is that people get really upset when you talk about the crypto that they love. I'm a lover of many cryptos. There were some comments. I think one person said they are a 1%er in Link, and I'm full of it. What we have to remember is, look, if you own 10 million Link, you've got $220 million. In the grand scheme of things, hey, that's a lot of money. But remember, a real 1%er, Elon Musk, is worth 180 billion. We have to remember, crypto is a planet in the financial galaxy. There's different segments, different opinions, different ideas. But yes, I forgot, man. People do get kind of upset. Of course, I understand it. Link holders are passionate. I am a Link holder. I'm simply pointing out that the uneven distribution, which is simple math, if 1% own 80% of the supply, if those top 1% decide to let it go, it will crush the bottom percents. It's just simple math. So have a plan in how you'll work around that. You should definitely hold Link. I believe that anyway. I'm not a financial advisor. You need to get a financial advisor before you invest in anything. But I like to call stuff how it is. Now, should you have Bitcoin or Ethereum, or rather, which one is the best way to get wealthy in 2021? Let's get into it. What should you hold? Bitcoin or Ethereum? So, coming at this from a practical standpoint, let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we're going to use some clean, even numbers, although it's slightly above that, which actually brings the percentages down. Bitcoin sits around 36,000 USD right now. We're going to just say 35,000. Its previous all-time high was $20,000. So currently, we are, if we use 35,000, 75% over the previous all-time high. Now, do I think Bitcoin will continue to go up? Of course I do. I believe Bitcoin in this cycle personally could hit 200,000. Now, there are estimates that it will hit 288. I've heard 400,000. I've heard people even say $500,000. Hey, I'm cool with that. The higher it goes, the better I feel about it. But let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is currently right at its past all-time high, just above $1,400. So, that being said, if Ethereum is just at its all-time high and we've got Bitcoin that is 75% over its all-time high, and by the way, we know that it had doubled it in previous weeks when it was as high as 42,000 and even higher than that actually, that simple math tells me if I believe Ethereum will keep pace as it has in previous times, in previous cycles, that the better investment currently today is Ethereum. Now, let's say that Bitcoin hits $200,000. That would mean that you get a 5.7x on your money from 35,000, that is, to 200,000. It's good investment, right? Anyone would take that. Obviously, if you compare that to what you see in the stock market, that's to stocks not Tesla, that is an amazing deal. Now, let's take a look at Ethereum. Now, with Ethereum, there have been suggestions that, obviously, and I believe if Bitcoin were to hit 200,000, I believe to say that Ethereum hitting 10,000 is way undershooting it. I actually believe it would hit 20,000 or more. But let's just lowball it and say that Bitcoin hits 200,000, Ethereum sitting on 10,000. From the current place at just above 1,400 today, that is above a 7x. Therefore, I think Ethereum is a better investment. Now, if it went to 20,000, we're talking about a 14x. More than a 14x, actually. That's a phenomenal investment. So, if Bitcoin's setting at $200,000, Ethereum setting at 20,000, I'm going to take the 14x over the 5.7x all day long. Now, I know the maxis, the Bitcoin maxis, may get themselves in a wad. It's not worth it. Because here's one thing that you should know. You can buy both. Do what you want. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. I just know that I try to pay attention to the cycle and where things are going. I do believe that Ethereum shall soon double. And Bitcoin seems to be in a resting period. I do think we'll see a $50,000 Bitcoin soon. But that is my take. Now, I don't look at Bitcoin and Ethereum the same. So there's all this battle between them. I don't think it's necessary. I ask you this. In today's time, what's more important? Gold or the internet? I mean, it's a toss-up. The internet can make you money to buy gold. Gold has value. I think of it that way. It's very simple. So I look at Bitcoin as a store of value, and I look at Ethereum as the new age of the internet. I think they're both extremely valuable, and I think the coming years will tell that. So if you ask me, I am going to choose, in the short run, Ethereum. But mind you, as the cycle goes up and things change, I'm going to take that Ethereum, and when given the right opportunity, I'm going to buy more Bitcoin. That's the way that I'm doing it here on Very Unlikely. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked it. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for notification. And I do plan to do an update video on Accurate Network with what I've been able to find. And I will try to get that out quickly. And I'll see you next time.